Hey car friends, let's go over the ignition system. The ignition system consists of spark plugs, plug wires, coils, and other electrical components that ignite the air and fuel mixture in your combustion chamber. That's what makes your car go vroom vroom. Spark plugs provide the spark that makes the engine operate. One symptom of worn out spark plugs is a misfire, when the fuel and air mixture in the cylinder fails to ignite. If you need to replace your spark plugs, try to use the right plug recommended for your vehicle. Consult your owner's manual or your local AutoZone to learn what spark plug is right for your vehicle. During the install from your old ones to your new ones, be sure to use a light application of anti-seize on the threads of the plug prior to the installation. Try not to get the anti-seize everywhere, but if you ever have used it before, that's easier said than done. That stuff gets everywhere. Anti-seize will make sure that it'll be a lot easier to change out the spark plugs in the future. Ignition wires will break down over time and eventually fail. If a wire fails, you might have some rough idling, misfire, performance loss, and eventually a dead cylinder. When replacing a distributor cap or ignition wires, transfer one wire at a time from the old cap or coil to the new cap or coil. Make sure you put them back in the same order. That's super important. You can make this job easier by using a spark plug boot tool and use some dielectric grease in the boot to help prevent arcing. Some of them are already pre-installed, and so it's ready for installation. It's important that all the wires are secure and routed from the exhaust components, or they're actually going to melt. Numerous rotations of that rotor inside the distributor will cause that metal contact point to wear down, and a failed distributor cap causes misfires, or, in more severe cases, a non-start. When performing a tune-up, it's suggested to replace both the cap and the rotor at the same time. Again, transfer those ignition wires from one at a time from the old cap to the new cap. Make sure they're in the same order. You can also use the spark plug boot tool. Older vehicles, pre-1974, usually contain breaker points that need to be adjusted or replaced on a regular basis. The distributorless ignition system have replaced the traditional distributor cap and rotor. Be sure to use the plugs recommended by your manufacturer. Coils transform low battery voltage into thousands of volts. So over time, heat, vibration, and constant use of that coil can wear down the internal windings. Some signs your coils may be worn out include engine misfires, weakened acceleration, rough idle, and reduced gas mileage. And that's it for our ignition system. A tune-up is one of the best ways to maintain the original performance of your vehicle. Watch our channel for more tune-up videos and more. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.